Hi, I'm Caitlin from My Gal Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to clean hard grease off of your stovetop cover. So the first thing that you're going to need is your gloves, a bowl of really hot soapy water, and the gloves are going to protect your hands, a rag, and you want to soak the rag in the hot soapy water. I have also a sponge, baking soda, and a dish soap and water. So what you want to do is you take your rag and you soak it in the water so it gets nice and hot, like this. Just wring it out a little and have it ready. The first step is to take the baking soda and sprinkle it all over the stovetop where the grease is. Now it depends what kind of stovetop you have. You want to make sure that your stovetop can get wet. Some people have burners that have gas pilots that don't want to get wet, so if that's the case, you want to be careful and just be aware of that. This one doesn't, so we're going to proceed. So you cover your grease stain with the baking soda, and you take your towel that you've soaked in the hot soapy water and lay it across your grease stain. And this is going to help you because dry grease is really difficult to get off, and this is going to heat it up and get it nice and moist so it can just be wiped down. So let it sit there for 5 to 30 minutes, depending on how bad the grease stain is. And then when it's ready, you can just wipe down the surface. And the baking soda is going to act like a non-abrasive scrub, so you don't scratch your surface. You just want to scrub down the stain, and it should just come right off once it's wet. It really, grease is much more difficult when it's dry. So it should come right off, and you can just wipe it down. You can throw this back in your pot of soapy water and take your sponge and wipe it down once more just for any excess. And when you're finished cleaning it, you want to take a roll of paper towels. Just take off 2 or 3 and just dry down the surface. You can also use a dish rag if you want to. I'm Caitlin from My Gal Friday, and I've just shown you how to clean hard grease off of the stovetop.